If you're not using AI to build passive income in 2025, you're falling behind. Here's the truth. Posting every day, hustling 24/7, and still seeing no sales, that's not a strategy, that's burnout. I used to be right there, creating content daily, getting views, but no income. Then I found a better way, and it starts with using the right AI tools. In this video, I'm giving you the exact beginner-friendly tools I use to automate content, digital products, and sales, all without a big following or tech skills. Let's fix the problem right now. Hey, I'm Taiki, and I help creators turn their content into passive income using AI and digital products, even if you're just starting out. If you're tired of working hard with little return, this is your video. Let's get into the tools that'll finally give you back your time and your results. So let's talk about the real issue. You're posting consistently. Maybe you've tried a digital product, maybe not. You're doing everything you're supposed to, but your content isn't converting. Why? Because you're missing systems, automation, strategy. You're operating like a creator, but you need to start thinking like a digital CEO. That's where AI comes in. The right tools take 80% of the work off your plate. And finally, let your content work for you. Let me show you how. I use ChatGPT to create full content calendars, write high converting captions, video scripts, and even email funnels in minutes. No more sitting stuck trying to come up with ideas. Literally tell it what you're selling, who it's for, and it'll help you create content that connects and converts. If you sell digital products, this tool is not optional. It saves you hours and increases your sales. If you're trying to grow on YouTube, on TikTok, or IG Reels, but hate filming or editing, this is your tool. With Pictory, I drop in a script and it gives me a full video with stock footage, captions, transitions, everything. It's perfect if you want to show up online without showing your face and still grow fast. This one's a game changer. ElevenLabs lets you turn written scripts into human-like voiceovers. So even if you hate talking, you can still have your voice or someone else's narrating your videos and content. This is how I create faceless content that builds trust and authority while staying off camera. Once your content is converting, you'll need systems that keep everything flowing. Zapier connects your apps. Think. Auto email when someone downloads your freebie. Auto DM when someone comments. Syncing leads with your Google Sheets, all hands off. You only set it up once and it runs forever. Use ChatGPT to create content and product ideas. Use ElevenLabs and Pictory to turn them into reels, shorts, and videos. Use Zapier to automate sales, leads, and delivery. And this system, it made me my first $1,000 plus online. With no ads, no inventory, and under 10,000 followers. If you're ready to stop guessing and finally build a passive income system that works, drop "ready" in the comments. I'll send you my free creators bootcamp waitlist so you can start building your digital income with clarity, consistency, and AI. Subscribe if this helped you, and go set up your first tool today. You're closer than you think.